It's a racist, un-American policy. These are the actions of a dictator.
The advocates of that more aggressive approach to inward migration, themselves would have immigrant roots. How then do you reflect on that reality? That people with the exact same background or the same family experience as you would be advocating in favor of those ICE raids?
To me, it is downright un-American to have a president of the United States talk about immigrants, to talk about migrants in this fashion. Stephen Miller, who was of immigrant roots, obviously, he recently said that migrants may not be subject to due process rights, constitutional due process rights in the United States. And so what we've been seeing lately is very contrary to the American experience of welcoming immigrants to the country and giving them due process. Trump wants to completely eliminate that, and it's part of the abuses we've been seeing. It's a racist, un-American policy. These are the actions of a dictator. People need to understand that the United States of America is under a very serious threat right now, and it's coming from the White House. We've never had a presidency like this. Even Trump 1.0 was not as much of a threat as Trump 2.0. And as I've said to people on my show, and I'll say it here, he went out with a bang the last time around. We should expect the same this time around.